Hello, this is the second video for payroll configuration under the Quick Start video series, this time on the Payroll tab, which includes work calendar, OT rates, pay elements, and payslip format. The work calendar helps the system calculate the prorated pay of a newly joined staff or a staff who has resigned. To input your company's work calendar, click on the edit icon and indicate if the day is full day, half day, 1/4 of the day, or a non-working day. You'll have to indicate for the rest of the week, and once you're done, click on Save. You can add as much as 10 alternate work weeks into the system by clicking on the New button and doing the same process as done previously. Moving on to OT rates. The OT rates page allows you to specify whether OT fields should be enabled, and if yes, what are the OT rates like. At the hourly rate OT, indicate the OT hour rate formula you wish to use. Check with MOM of the formula that your company should comply with. Put a tick on Display in Pay Information and Process OT if your company is paying OT. Without enabling this, you will not have the fields required to put in the OT hours. Enable Use Different Formula for Actual Working Hour option if you have part-timers that work on an hourly rate basis. On the actual hour rate field, change the formula to basic pay. This is the hourly rate paid to the staff. Ensure that the rate for actual hour is changed to 1 instead of 0, as 1 is the multiplier in this case. The succeeding parts indicate the OT rates based on MOM requirements for those who are paid 2,600 Singapore dollars. If this option is ticked, you cannot change the rates indicated above. Once you're done, click on Update to save your settings, and let's move on to Pay Elements. You can define all your company's pay elements in the Pay Elements page. The pay elements are items in which you pay or deduct from the staff that would make up their monthly salary. Create a new pay element by clicking on Create Pay Element button at the bottom. Provide a unique pay element ID. It can be anything as long as it's unique and understandable to you. On element name, try to be clear as this is the name that the staff will see in their payslips. For element type, you have 3 options, either allowance, deduction, or reimbursement. You can put in an amount or a formula for this particular pay element. You can also apply an amount limit if you wish to. It's important to input the correct tax code for allowances. Putting the wrong tax code will eventually affect tax documents like IR8A. Indicate the criteria if this pay element should be prorated, CPF or SDL payable, or tagged as benefits in kind. For wage type, is this pay element under ordinary wage or additional wage? You can also choose the frequency of use of this pay element. There are 4 choices here. Fortnightly, you can indicate if you want this pay element to be used on the first or second interval. Monthly, this pay element will appear every month. One time, once you have approved the pay run, the pay element will be removed from the pay element list in the next month. Inactive allows you to deactivate the pay element. Recurring fields is optional and allows you to specify the recurring months that this pay element will be used. Once you're done, click on Submit to save your settings, and let's go to Payslip format. Select the payslip format of your choice by clicking on the radio buttons. You can also click on the eye icon to preview the different formats available in your system. Additionally, you can upload your company's logo into this field. Please ensure that your image is a maximum of 150 by 300 pixels in size. You would know that you have uploaded the logo if you see it appearing inside this box. Once you're successful, click on Submit and you should be good to go. Thank you for watching the Quick Start Payroll video series. Please view the other Quick Start videos for the other modules.